So this die is called box number 21 3D with crease. So I am going to use this white to make box number 21. This is what box number 21 looks like. So there we go. Here we go. Cut away, cut away. Okay. Okay, box number 21. Ooh, cuteness. Very nice. Has a lid and everything. It's for party favors. And yeah, it does a nice little crease. Look at that. Wow, this is awesome. Let's see if I can get that while I fold it. Do 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 do. Then we probably need to put a little glue here. Oh, how do we do it like this? And then like this. Okay, I think that's it, or something like that. Cuteness. And a little glue right here. And a lid. Box number 21. So I might have prepared it if there was something that folded over, so I wouldn't have to do quite this much gluing. But not bad, not bad. Something will fit in there. Box number 28, 3D with crease, all one piece. Box number 28, 3D with crease. Cute. Let's fold this. I think I like this one better than the other. Cute. This is a smaller box number 21 with the lid. Okay, here we go. Oopsie. 2 hands needed. Oh, that's the most resistance I've had. Must mean it will be well cut. Cute. Alright, I'm gonna get some glue. 3 sizes of party favor boxes. 1 for Jordan almonds. 2 for a piece of cake. 3 for goodness knows what? Cuteness. And then to store it away, you just lift the sides and close them together. And that's it. The Grande Mark II. Comes with operating instructions. Very cool. It's a little heavy. I think it needs its own roll-away trolley. But hey, not bad. Okay.